Hello everyone, this is Irene Tan from OrangeTee AAG. Today we are heading up to a beautiful 4-room flat at Block 470B, Upper Serangoon Crescent. We are standing in a fairly new cluster of BTOs of just 9 years old with a healthy remaining lease of 89.5 years. The residents over here enjoying great amenities living within the mature Hougang estate. Block 470B consists of a mixture of 3, 4 and 5 room units. Our unit is a 4A model, 92 square meters, and it is situated at the quiet enclave with a pocket lush greenery view of the Punggol Park. If serenity is what is important to you and your family, then this unit may be what you are looking for. The owners have 2 growing children and they lived here for the past 6 years. They are the first owner of this lovely house bought directly from HDB via the sales of balance flat. With meticulous care from the family, this unit is excellent in condition. It has functional layouts with 3 bedrooms all intact and a beautiful kitchen, plus a household shelter doubling up as a storeroom. Now let's zoom in into the location of Block 470B, Upper Serangoon Crescent. A short 5 minutes walk, you'll find yourself at Hougang Cape View, where there's a nice mini mall over there to get your daily necessities like groceries and food. If you're a parent with school-going children, it's good to know that within the 1 km radius, you have CHIJ Our Lady of Nativity, North Vista Primary School, Punggol Primary School, and North Spring Primary School. A 10 to 15 minutes bus ride will get you to either Hougang MRT or Buangkok MRT stations, where the major malls are situated, namely the popular Hougang Mall, eateries, wet and dry markets, hawker centres, as well as the newly built Serangoon Grand Mall. For drivers, easy access to the KPE and TPE connectivity brings you to the rest of the regions in Singapore. Avid joggers or cyclists can definitely enjoy the Punggol Park and the Serangoon Park PCN along Sungai Serangoon, and this PCN leads us directly to Punggol and Coney Island, speaking of keeping a healthy lifestyle. If you'd like to know more about this unit, feel free to connect with me for inquiries or a physical viewing. Once again, this is Irene from OrangeTee AAG signing off.